Hey guys, David over at Frequency Frontiers. So for today, we're out for a little walk. I'm gonna do a little handy talkie test. I got my base station set up here at the house. I'm gonna walk here about half a mile down the road and we'll see what happens. Let's go. All right guys, so it's David over at Frequency Frontiers. So as you can see, I made it about about a quarter mile from the house, maybe a little better. So we're gonna do a simplex test. And I was wondering how good any of these little stubby antennas work. So the first radio I got is a little TYT. It's a little 2-watt radio, stubby antenna. I have my other camera set up at the house with a microphone going into my base radio. I've got a Kenwood and a tram antenna up about 30 foot. So they all should get in pretty well. I just want to see if there's any kind of sound difference. So let's get at it. This is KY4GM testing.
This is KY4GM testing.
KY4GM testing on 5.2. All right, let's turn that one off. Go to the next radio. This is everybody's favorite radio, the TID radio. Also stubby antenna, but this one is 4 watts. Let's see how it does. This is KY4GM testing. KY4GM testing on 5.2 with the TID radio.
This is KY4GM testing. KY4GM testing on 5.2 with the TID radio.
Let's turn that one off. Zip that pouch back up there. Now, let's go to the VTech that everybody has. Hey everybody, Future David. So that is not a VTech. I have another one that is a VTech, but the one I have there in the video, that is the Vero version. I caught my mistake after I got home and recorded the video, and they're identical radios with different badges. But just to be correct and transparent here, that is the Vero radio. So now, I am on 5.2, and I'm on low power with just the rubber duck antenna. This is KY4GM testing on 5.2. This is the VTech on 2 watts. And I'm trying to move around so I can realistically simulate if I was doing real simplex work. Now, let's go to high power. KY4GM testing with the VTech on high power with a rubber duck antenna. The VTech on high power.
This is KY4GM testing on 5.2. This is the VTech on 2 watts. KY4GM testing with the VTech on high power with a rubber duck antenna. The VTech on high power.
So, we'll get back to the house, analyze results, and see what happens. Hey everybody. So, as we watched the video and looked and listened, there are way more scientific ways to analyze this data. But for my use case scenario, the little stubby antennas work great in my neighborhood. I really can't tell much of a difference. Most of the audio difference is going to be radio based. So I guess with the conclusion within a half a mile or a mile in my current location and my setup, a stubby antenna works well in my neighborhood. That being said, just remember I've tried to use these out in the field and during events, and they are not great. If you can use something else that's probably going to serve you a lot better. So, till next time, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. 7-3. Till next time.